Hello everyone and welcome to this round of Ed Talks as Canada remains one of the top choices for international students in 2025, welcoming over 3 lakh students annually. Thanks to its world-class education, cultural diversity and clear pathways to work and permanent residency. What are the steps to study in Canada? Start by choosing a program at a designated learning institution that is eligible for a post-graduation work permit. All bachelor's and master's degrees can qualify for up to 3 years of postgraduate work permit. However, diplomas and postgraduate diplomas may qualify for PGWP if their career outcomes align with shortages in the labor market. Our expert counselors can advise you on that list. Oh, and remember, only colleges or universities with a DLI number can host international students. After applying and receiving your letter of acceptance, you'll need a provincial attestation letter, which is called a PAL, confirming your spot under the National Study Permit cap. Next, apply for a study permit from IRCC, showing proof of funds, identity documents, and a letter of intent. And this LOI, the letter of intent, is a very important thread in your file that ties up all the loose ends and tells the visa officer your story, your career plans, your ties, and your intent to return to your home country. While studying in Canada, you can work part-time for up to 24 hours a week during semesters and full-time during breaks. After graduating, you may apply for a postgraduate work permit if the program you have chosen qualifies for it. Later, you may qualify for permanent residency through one of the many pathways announced by IRCC. Now, all this is what makes Canada an attractive study destination. An often asked question is about the financial requirements for the study permit application. You must prove that you can cover your tuition plus living and travel expenses. For example, a single student needs Canadian dollars 20,635 per year as living cost, excluding tuition, which of course would differ as per the program and the DLI chosen. A proof can include tuition fee paid receipts, bank statements, GICs, scholarship letters, loan sanction letters, etc. Now, why study in Canada? 1. Top-tier education from over 1,500 DLIs, including universities and career-focused colleges. 2. Part-time work opportunities during studies and PGWP after studies. 3. Pathways to permanent residency through express entry and provincial nominee programs. 4. Affordable living, averaging around 20,000 Canadian dollars plus per year. And lastly, diversity and safety, with Canada consistently ranking among the world's safest countries to live in. There you are. And the infamous 2025 study permit cap? Well, Canada's study permit cap for 2025 is 3,05,900. Applications now require a PAL to ensure balance between education, infrastructure, and resources. And the popular cities for students include Toronto, Vancouver, Edmonton, Calgary, Montreal, and so many communities in regional areas that are known for strong education, vibrant cultures, and hungry job markets. Studying in Canada in 2025 is more than just academics. It's a great path for career growth and possible settlement in a very sustainable environment. Start planning today and unlock your future in one of the world's most welcoming countries. But don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on all our socials to remain updated on the international education sector, and see you soon.